As polling progresses, I wish to appeal to the nation to continue maintaining peace and calm. My appeal is that the peace that has been characterized with this process so far should be sustained up to the polling and results announcement. The police and all security institutions have been engaged, and they are all geared to ensure that everyone votes in a peaceful environment without fear and intimidation. Appeal for higher turnout and peaceful campaign. I want to remind you all about the importance of participating in these elections and appeal to you to also show up in large numbers on the 27th of November 2024. By casting your vote, you will be contributing to the consolidation of our democracy. As the Commission will continue to provide updates and remain vigilant to any emerging challenges, adapting our strategies as necessary to ensure that every eligible voter can participate in a fair, transparent, and efficient manner. I appeal to all political parties and their supporters to abide by the Code of Conduct and to at all costs avoid name-calling, inciting violence and hatred towards your competitors. It is imperative that you continue fostering peace and unity in your campaigns. And to all public officers that are by law supposed to render support to the political parties and candidates during the campaign, I appeal to you that you continue treating all contestants equally and not be partisan. That will greatly contribute to the fairness of the campaign process.